What is the shortest word in the English language that contains the letters A, B, C, D, E, F? The answer is feedback. Feedback is essential to growing and developing in the ways you want. Hello, my name is Kristen Earp. I am a leadership development coach and trainer. I support emerging and experienced leaders to create career happiness and team success. My career in training and development is supported by a master's in organizational psychology, 2 coaching certifications, and certifications in assessments like emotional intelligence, Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, and the Enneagram. I partner with organizations to help leaders increase their clarity, confidence, and emotional intelligence. The most exciting part of my job is to help leaders develop healthy relationships with themselves and their teams. I hope this course shows you how to invite feedback and increase your awareness and management of how you show up. In this course, using 360 feedback to become a better leader, we will look at how to have a relationship with feedback that allows for growth, as well as a mindset that serves you well. Additionally, we will consider your strengths and blind spots so that you can increase your leadership abilities through self-awareness, self-management, and committed goals with accountability. We have actionable exercises in all sections to help you start practicing and integrating your learning with action. So, if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started.